to my studio and welcome to Friday with Friends. If you're new with us tonight, thank you for joining us and I appreciate your presence. So tonight, it's a free form, no challenge tonight. So we're gonna have a little fun and I'm gonna play with some of the techniques that I learned during the last 3 months of challenges. So let's get down to the table. Okay, tonight I am working with a Master's Touch 10-inch round canvas. I am using my Sherwin Williams in Tuberose for my base. We're going to be playing with the Hide and Reveal tonight. So my colors are all HIppie Crafter. So this is Robin's Egg Blue, light yellow, rose, silver gray, lilac. Oh, I love the shimmer in that one. And sea green, which is just gorgeous. My faux pillow is going to be Grumbacher Prussian blue. And my cell activators are from Amsterdam, titanium white, and permanent blue violet. And those are mixed with Aussie Floetrol. Okay, so we're going to start with putting our base coat down and have a little fun. Okay, we're going to lay down our colors now. Okay, I don't know what you missed there, but laying the colors down, the camera keeps flipping off and I'm not sure what's going on. But we're going to keep going ahead. So this is the silver gray. Probably way too much paint on here, but that's just the way it is. All right. Use my tool here to help me put my faux pillow on. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my camera here, but it keeps shutting off. So we'll see what we can. Look at all these cells that are just coming up without me doing a thing. This is crazy. I'm going to try and work with it, but I don't know how well this is going to work as a hide and reveal when everything's coming up from below. Without me doing a thing. Okay, I think I've got it so it's going to stop turning off constantly. I don't make any guarantees, so you might have missed a few things because every time I looked it was turned off again. It seemed to have decided it didn't like something in my settings and so it was turning itself off. So between the terrible bubbling I was getting that I wasn't expecting and the skewer work and the swipes, I mean, look at this. This is just gorgeous in here, and I haven't even spun this yet. Move some things out of the way. I'm going to give this baby a spin. Stretch this out. Right, so as a hide and reveal goes, I'm not hiding very much because all the bubbles came up. But I'm not going to complain too much because look at this. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it at that. That is so cool looking. All right, I'm gonna clean up some of this giant mess a bit and I'll bring you back for some wet results. Okay, because we had some issues with the first one, we're gonna do a second one. Why? Because we can. And I'm not sure what you got to see because the camera kept going on and off and on and off, and so we're going to do another one. This is an 8x8 Artist Loft Level 2 canvas, and I have thickened up my faux pillow to see if that's going to help with that massive bubbling we were getting. We're just going to give it another try. Not that I'm unhappy with the results of the first one, but since I don't know what you saw and didn't see on the first one, and since I did have some issues, we're just gonna give it a round 2. Why not? I think I'm going to lay my colors down a little differently this time. I'm going to do a little gentler method using my tool just to ensure that I may get less bubbles, which would be nice. And we'll pop some of these bubbles as we go. Try the faux pillow again. See if it does the same thing. Causes a riot of bubbles. pillow may be too thick because I'm not bringing up anything. I'm not digging down enough. Hold on, you have to dig a little deeper. Get through this pillow. Getting a very different look this time. Last time so much bubbled up through, it was crazy. This time we're just a little bubbled up and a lot of lacing, so I'm liking that. So on the first one, my faux pillow was a little too thick, too thin. This one I think it might have been a wee bit too thin. A wee bit too thick. That was too thin, this was too thick. Can't speak. Yeah, I think that's good right there. All right, let me clean it up and I'll give you wet results for both. Okay, so we have wet results. This is number one. This is the one where the pillow was a little thin and we had a lot of stuff bubbling up through it without even having to put a palette knife on it. I love the way the colors are blending in here. I love the cells that have all these swirls of multiple colors, little patches of lacing. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm happy. It just had some flaws. So we played again. We thickened up that pillow a bit. Got a very different reaction. You can see a lot more of the faux pillow. Though it did start, as we stretched it, to come up more with the colors. But a lot more lacing in this one. Really pretty. Very different in comparison though from the other one. The other two, very different. All right, we're gonna let these dry and see what happens. Okay, we have the final dry results on these two. They are so shiny. I'm getting so much glare with the lights, but oh my god, the blending in the colors. They're so bright and shiny. I feel like take some of the light off just to make it so you could see it better. So this is the one where I think the faux pillow was a little too thin. And this is the second one. I think the faux pillow was much better on this one. I thickened it up a bit. So it reacted a little more of the way I thought it would. Less bubbling, where you didn't actually ask it to come through. But I'm really happy with both of them. The coloring is just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please follow along the train. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, and the links are all in my description box. Thank you so much for being here and have a wonderful weekend.